Have you ever wondered what lurks miles beneath the surface of the ocean, where sunlight never reaches, and every shadow could be hiding something straight out of your worst nightmares? Well, buckle up, because today you're diving into the creepy secrets from the deep ocean's darkest corners, places so mysterious and bizarre, even science is still trying to figure them out. Ready to explore the abyss? Let's plunge in. The ocean covers over 70% of our planet, but more than 80% of it remains unexplored. That means the deep sea is like Earth's final frontier, filled with creatures and phenomena so strange they might as well be from an alien world. You might think the deep ocean is a silent, lifeless void, but no way. It's a swirling, eerie world full of glowing eyes, monstrous mouths, and secrets that would make your skin crawl. But before you start imagining some watery version of a horror movie, let me tell you, these deep-sea creatures aren't villains. They've evolved in total darkness, pressure crushing like a skyscraper, and temperatures near freezing. Their weird features? Perfect survival tools in an environment where light, food, and oxygen are luxuries. So what's so creepy about the deep ocean? First off, the abyssal zone. That's the layer from about 13,000 to 20,000 feet down. Imagine a place with no sunlight, just crushing pressure, and temperatures hovering around freezing. Here, animals don't just survive, they thrive in the strangest ways. Take the anglerfish, for example. You might have heard about them. What makes them nightmare fuel is their bioluminescent lure, dangling like a fishing rod from their heads, glowing in the blackness to attract prey. But here's the wild part. The females are huge and terrifying, but the males are tiny parasites. They latch on to the female and fuse with her, becoming nothing more than a pair of living sperm factories. Talk about a creepy marriage. And then there's the Goblin shark, which looks like it escaped from a sci-fi movie. It has this freaky, flattened snout, and when it strikes, its jaw literally shoots forward like a harpoon to snatch prey. Imagine a shark with a built-in face launcher. Seriously, unsettling, right? But wait, it gets better. Down here, some creatures don't even have eyes because there's no light to see. Others, like the vampire squid, sport glowing red eyes and cloak themselves in a cape-like web to scare off predators. The deep sea is basically a Halloween costume party from monsters you never want to meet. Above the abyssal, you have the twilight zone, where a faint shimmer of light reaches but isn't enough for photosynthesis. This is where things get even weirder. Some fish here can see in almost complete darkness, and many produce their own light through chemical reactions called bioluminescence. But why light up when there's barely any sun? It's a survival trick. Some species use flashes to communicate, others use it to camouflage themselves by matching the faint light above so predators looking up only see darkness instead of a silhouette. Imagine a ghost glowing in the shadows. That's your dinner slipping away from you. And check this out. There's a creature called the hatchetfish, named for its silver blade-like body that reflects light so perfectly it's almost invisible from below. It's like nature's stealth ninja. And then oddly, some squid can flash different colors on their skin, almost like they're sending secret messages in an alien Morse code. Now, we can't talk about creepy ocean secrets without mentioning the infamous blobfish. This creature was crowned the world's ugliest animal, but honestly, it's more misunderstood than ugly. Living around 3,000 feet deep, the blobfish's gelatinous, mushy body is perfectly adapted to the crushing pressure. It literally looks like a sad, droopy jelly in photos taken near the surface, where the pressure is way lower. But down where it belongs, it's surprisingly sturdy. Its soft body helps it float just above the seafloor, waiting to gobble up edible bits that drift by. Not exactly terrifying, just incredibly weird. The real question is, why does the blobfish look like it stepped out of a nightmare only when we drag it up to the surface? It's one of the ocean's many tricks, a reminder that the deep sea is an alien world with rules all its own. Deep beneath the ocean floor, in total darkness, lies one of the strangest ecosystems on Earth, hydrothermal vents. These underwater hot springs spew scalding, mineral-rich water at temperatures over 700 degrees Fahrenheit, surrounded by freezing seas. Sounds deadly, right? But these vents are bustling with life. Here, you'll find giant tube worms taller than you, with bright red plumes that look like alien flowers. Instead of relying on sunlight, these creatures survive on chemicals from the vents, using a process called chemosynthesis. Microbes inside the worms convert toxic chemicals into energy, feeding their hosts in a bizarre symbiosis. And around these vents, bizarre crustaceans and giant clams thrive, completely cut off from the rest of the ocean's food chain. It's like a hidden city powered by chemical energy, proof that life finds a way even in the most extreme places. So next time you gaze out over the ocean, remember, beneath those waves lies a world stranger and scarier than any horror movie. It's a place where creatures glow in the dark, jaws shoot forward like harpoons, and entire ecosystems thrive on boiling chemicals. The deep ocean isn't just mysterious, it's a reminder of how little we really know about our own planet. If you found these creepy ocean secrets fascinating, smash that like button, share your favorite deep-sea monster in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations. Dive into the unknown with me, because the deep ocean's darkest corners still have so many stories left to tell.